Today is the best day ever, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I got the text from Micro Center. We're at Micro Center in Tucson, California right now. We drove like 45 minutes. I'm building a PC. This has been like a year in the making. I've made a ton of parts lists. We're finally here. I am 2 minutes away from the store. They just texted me saying that it is my turn in line. That's what this video is gonna be. Hopefully it's broken up into two parts. Me getting the parts from Micro Center for one video, and then the other video of me actually building it, because I think those are gonna be really long. So let's do that right now. We have Kelly behind the cam. We just ate Raisin Canes, so our bellies are full. 1 minute away. Got my mask ready, COVID-19 safe. I'm so excited. This is like the best day ever. I've been waiting for this for so long, and I can't wait to start editing whatever footage I want, because my computer right now is very bad, very old. So it's gonna be very exciting times. I can move on to cinema cameras, all types of stuff. Gonna check in with the store right now. Walking up to the front, I see a lot of people walking to their trunks to their cars with whole PC build. So it's very exciting times for everyone. Everyone's staying busy during COVID-19. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to come here for so long, and it's a long drive. This is a very exciting moment for me. Micro Center. Just entered right now. About to, I low-key need a cart. So far, so cool. Just looking at all the stuff. Acquired the cart. I'm gonna have Kelly come. Thinking about getting one of these. I would want a white one, but the black might do. Looks like this is the first thing I'm gonna get. Case fans, Corsair ML120 Pros with the lightning node Pro to connect the fans to. So let's grab one of these. So these are the same size fans. They're a 120 millimeter, but in a liquid IO. So this is gonna cool my CPU. Ooh. Sleeve extensions. Red though, I don't want red. So these are Intel CPUs. I'm gonna go the AMD route. This is what we're gonna get. 3900X, 12 core CPU, 24 threads. Okay, so we're gonna, one of the representatives told me that.
Sorry, you guys, we're not allowed to record people inside the store.
Oh, okay.
No more recording, goodbye.
We just got told there's no recording, so I'm just gonna gather all the parts and then show you guys in the parking lot or something. That's what I got so far. Fans and a CPU cooler. Okay, I'm in a low-key aisle right now. After about an hour of searching and building the PC with one of the employees, he's grabbing me all the parts. I'm super excited. We got it all dialed into the budget and everything that I needed. I'm gonna show you guys the parts after I check out, and then we'll go back home and build it. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a real good one. This is my Micro Center parts list. All the way down. Super excited. Got the goods. About to go back to the car now. Finally build this shit. After about like an hour and a half, finally got out of the store with all of my stuff. I'm gonna run through the parts real quick, but we'll go more into detail when we go back home. So let's start off with this bottom part. I got a 24-inch Dell monitor, IPS, so got good color accuracy. Cleaning kit needed that. 32 gigabytes of DDR4 3600 speed RAM. 2 drives. I got an M.2 drive for my OS, and then I have a regular Samsung SSD for my videos and other data, photos, videos, movies, things like that. Here is my power supply. I ended up getting a Seasonic 750 80 plus gold certified power supply. One of the two best parts. Beautiful Ryzen 9 3900X, 12 cores, 24 threads. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful CPU. Then let the motorcycle pass. I got a, looks like Red Dragon mechanical keyboard. I don't know much about keyboards. This one looks pretty nice. I could upgrade down the future, but cheap. Wanted to go with something cheap. Here is the Mobo that I'm using, an X570, I don't know how to pronounce this, Aorus Master by Gigabyte. And this one, I was way over budget. My budget for my motherboard was about like $200, but I ended up spending like $360 on this one because this is pretty much the only one they had. The other ones, they had a mini ATX one and then another one that was red and black. That was regular ATX. So I was just like, since I'm here, I might as well just go with the one that's gonna aesthetically go better in my build. CPU cooler, got the Corsair H100i with the RGB fans alongside more case fans to match it. So I got the Corsair fans as my fans. I'm gonna say the best for last. Second to last, speaker, nothing special. Some Logitech, I think, which you guys all been waiting for. A 2070 Super from EVGA. Beast GPU. I went from a 1050 Ti in my laptop to a 2070 Super, so I'm more than happy. I cannot wait to put this shit together. And that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Feels like Christmas. Cannot wait to go back home. Let's do this. Got Zach in the vlog. Even though you can't hear me, just throw up like a peace sign because I have my AirPods in or some shit. Peace sign goods. All right, everybody, we are back at home. And I got all of the parts laid out on my PC. I'm about to call Koi and also look on YouTube to learn how to build this because it's my first build, but it should be straightforward. I've watched a ton of these videos. I'm gonna add like time lapses and quick cuts so that it's easier to watch. Yeah, so we're gonna get started. Shout out to Bitwit helping me put together this PC for the first time. Also have this guy right here. My AirPod is in so they didn't hear your craziness, but I also got this guy right here. Just installed my CPU, took off the brackets for the stock cooler, and gonna look up a tutorial on how to install this H100i from Corsair. Next up, install the RAM.
Memory installation complete. Very straightforward and simple. Let's move on to the next step.
This is what my progress is so far. CPU in, CPU cooler, and RAM. Gonna move on to the case now. Here's the case. Just took off the side tempered glass. Lee & 011 dynamic. Next, we got the M.2 drive. This is gonna be my OS drive. So this is what we're looking like so far. M.2 motherboard installed, CPU cooler installed in the actual case. Gonna put the power supply in now. Getting really frustrated, it's taking longer than I thought. Next step, Samsung SSD. Got the M.2 in there, but I need to find a place for this drive now, in my case. Got the GPU in. Gonna plug in the pin connectors and hopefully boot this thing up. All right, this is the moment of truth. I don't know if I did everything right before I closed the case and before I cable manage. I want to make sure I plugged in everything. So it's been a long night. I don't know if it's gonna work. If it doesn't, I might just try tomorrow. So let's see. This is crazy. Wow, guys. It actually fucking booted. I think I did everything right. Look at that. I'm gonna mess around and see what is what. That's what the system looks like. And let's see if I plugged in everything. What this AE means or what that orange dot means. There's an AE right here. There's an orange dot right here. I'm gonna figure out what this means. The case is completely closed. I'm gonna power it up, show you guys the lights. And Kelly has been begging me to do the saran peel. I'll let her do one side. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, it's not plugged in. Alright, I plugged it in. That should help a lot. 3, 2, 1. What the? And now we're gonna take off this side one.
No, I want to do that.
Nope.
You do the big one.
I'm doing this one. What the? I've taken on and off the glass like 50 times, so you guys are gonna have to just look it through the glass for this detail shot. I'm gonna get it all oriented nice with my desktop.